Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV12. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV12 trigger isn't working when you try to clean, it can be quite frustrating. This issue typically arises due to worn-out components or internal blockages, and if left unresolved, it can hinder your vacuum's performance, leading to more significant problems down the line. To tackle this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement trigger mechanism, and a soft cloth to keep your workspace clean. Firstly, ensure your vacuum is turned off and unplugged. Begin by locating the screws on the back of the Dyson SV12. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws, keeping them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the casing using the flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to apply too much force as you may damage the surrounding plastic. As you open the device, you will see various components inside. The trigger mechanism is usually located near the handle. Inspect it closely for any signs of damage or blockage. If you identify a broken trigger, you will need to extract it. To do this, carefully disconnect any wires attached to the trigger, taking note of their placement for reassembly later. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After disconnecting the wires, gently pull the old trigger out. Now, take your replacement trigger mechanism and insert it into the same slot, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the wires, making sure they are in the correct positions as noted earlier. Once everything is secured, it's time to reassemble the casing. Align the two halves of the casing properly, and press them together gently. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely without overdoing it, as over-tightening can strip the screws. Finally, plug in your Dyson SV12 and test the trigger to ensure it's working correctly. If it operates smoothly, your repair is successful. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean your vacuum and check for blockages. Additionally, avoid using your Dyson on excessively dirty surfaces, as this can lead to faster wear and tear. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.